Alright guys, take a look at this. There's a Trane XR running. Just fired up. Also, happy 4th of July, everybody. Yeah, the reason why I wanted to get started with this unit because look how rotted this thing is. It kind of explains it because the beach is literally right there. So, yeah. It's got a line scroll compressor. Track fan motor. Look at this. You see, I can actually get to the coil. This thing is so rotted. Like this is the coil guard. You see, you can just wiggle it and it will just come right off. That's how rotted this thing is. Believe it or not, this is actually manufactured in January of 2017. It's a 3-ton XR14. Wonder how much longer it's gonna be here. Based on how it's working, it's probably not that much longer. It's not cold at all. Sweating just maybe a tad. I don't know. It's pretty humid out here. That's probably why, maybe. But that's not cold at all. You can see it has a rattle here too. When I hold the suction line, it stops. It's an air conditioner. This replaced the old janitor, I believe. I looked on Google Street View. I think it was some kind of like, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. Here's a brand new Goodman right here, just running in American Standard. Just thought I'd show these. It's got a Copeland scroll. .8 SEER. It's a GLX 4B, 4-ton, manufactured in December of 2024. Looking pretty good. So this might have been probably one of the first RF32 units ever made. And here we got this American Standard right here. This replaced another American Standard. That Goodman replaced the ICP of some kind. This unit's even newer. This was manufactured in February of 2026 and it's 5-ton. Sounds like it has a line scroll compressor. Rod Ocean ECM fan motor. Yeah, I wanted to get it started with one of these units, but yeah. I just thought this train would be more cool to get starting up because how rotted it is. But yeah. And there's an arcaway right there. It's just this side that's really bad. This side's pretty bad. It's mainly towards the top. You see the bottom's not that bad. But it's just the top here. I'm surprised that logo's in pretty good shape. This side's not too bad. This side's actually the best out of the whole unit. The back is pretty bad. But this side is definitely the worst. But yeah. All right. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this extremely rotted 2017 Trane XR14 air conditioner. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.